Hey there, it's Dan Nguyen, and I'm here to help you navigate the legal side of your business as your trusted business attorney in California. Welcome back to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs, where we make legal matters straightforward and accessible for you and your business. Today, we're diving into federal trademark registration for food businesses. If you're in the food industry and want to protect your brand, this video is for you.
This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level.
So what is exactly a trademark? In simple terms, a trademark is a symbol, word, or a phrase that identifies and distinguishes your products from others in the market. Think of it as your brand's unique signature. For a food business, this could be your business name, logo, or even a specific slogan. Now, why is a federal trademark registration so important? Registering your trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, provides nationwide protection. This means you have exclusive rights to use your mark across the entire country, not just in your local area. It helps prevent others from using a similar mark that could confuse customers. So, how do you go about registering a trademark? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, choose a unique mark. Make sure it's distinctive and not too similar to existing trademarks. Conduct a search on the USPTO database to check for similar marks. Next, prepare your application. You'll need to provide details about your business, a clear representation of your mark, and the goods or services it will be associated with. For a food business, this might include categories like packaged foods, beverages, or restaurant services. Then, file your application with the USPTO. There's a filing fee, and the process can take several months or years. Be patient and make sure you respond promptly to any correspondence from the USPTO. Finally, monitor your application. Once approved, your application will be published in the USPTO's official gazette. If no one opposes it, you'll receive your federal trademark registration. And that's it. By following these steps, you can secure federal protection for your food business's trademark and build a strong and recognizable brand. Remember, registering a trademark can be complex, but it's a crucial step in protecting your business. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to a trademark attorney for professional guidance. Thanks for tuning in into Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave your questions below, and I'm always here to help you navigate the legal landscape with ease. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.